I'm Myranda Love, the CEO and founder of Ninja Growth Strategies. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 keys to creating real freedom as a coach and an entrepreneur. So I don't know if this resonates with you or not, but most because they wanted more freedom in their life. They wanted to not be tied to a city or a location or a job, and they wanted to be able to be their own boss. But unfortunately, a lot of them, though, they actually are taught to create their business by networking, by having to do all these complicated funnels. Happy, come here. Happy, come here. Hi, sorry about that. My little pup Happy is getting excited. So they feel like they're still not, or they're having to call their champions list. They're having to reach out consistently, rely on referrals. So they really have to stay stuck there in that area, and they don't have that freedom, or they're actually working sometimes 60 hours or more. They're working more than what they were in their full-time job, and they're making no money. Some of them, unfortunately, I don't mean to giggle there because it is serious. And I love the business coaches. That's my mission, is to help the experts be able to get out there and actually help people and create real freedom. So that's what it is I'm going to dive right into right now. The 3 keys to help you create a freedom coaching business you love. Key number 1, online. Take your business online. Start online. Don't rely just on networking or going door to door there in a location. If you're wanting real freedom, then you need to take your business online. And y'all know I'm a huge fan of LinkedIn. Without having to do a bunch of paid advertising or networking, and to reach almost 1 billion users who are on LinkedIn simply because they want to advance or grow their business or their career. So if you are helping businesses or people in their career make more money, save more time, love their life better, live a more fulfilled life, just different things like that, then create more sales, more time, more team, then you need to definitely be on LinkedIn. It is the place for you. So take your business online, and I want to hit on this really fast about the importance of it, because then you're able to reach clients from all over the world. Not only can you travel around and take your business with you, but you're able to help people from all over. So there are some coaching franchises that are out there that are selling business coaching certification franchises. I won't name them right now, but some of them actually have you limit yourself geographically, where you actually don't need to have a coaching certification at all. I don't have a coaching certification, but yeah, I have helped hundreds of business coaches and have, an awesome multiple 6-figure a year coaching business that I'm able to serve people from all over the world, and I've helped, hundreds of experts. And it's simply by having a way to help people and getting out there and doing it. Now, so if you are an expert, you do not have to have a coaching business certification. You can go ahead and get started. And so there's really no need to limit yourself to a certain territory, as they are with some coaching franchises. You limit yourself. So there's no need to do that. So stop doing that. But do go ahead and take your business online. So that is definitely the number 1 key to creating real freedom in your life as a business coach and an entrepreneur. Key number 2 is to charge enough. Listen, these are, I've got $135,000 sitting on my desk right now. This is real money here, real money that you're able to make as a coach, but you really do need to charge enough. And so we have experts go from charging $500 to $5,000 or more. That's what I'm talking about by charging enough. And by doing that, it's actually better for you, and it's better for your clients as well. So I've got a whole web class that actually goes into letting the mindset and the concepts of why charging more is better for your client. And that's actually part of a web class that I have. It's 5 shortcuts to making 6 figures or more this year as a coach on LinkedIn with 0 ad spend. And that is at freedombusinesscoach.com. And again, go ahead and sign up for that if you want to know more about that. That's at freedombusinesscoach.com. And that is a free web class. So go ahead and check that out to find out more about charging more and what we're talking about there. I won't dive into that in too much detail right now, but it definitely is. You got to, whenever you're having, for example, 5,000, your goal is to get to 25,000 or more a month. You can do that with 5 clients whenever you're charging $5,000, and that is not a big number. We've definitely had some clients go from charging $150, I had one, to charging $15,000 and getting that from cold traffic on LinkedIn, getting paid that, finding it easier to be paid $15,000 than $150. So there's a lot of potential here. And, if your goal is just a $15,000, bam, you only need one of those clients. And whenever you have a system for attracting and enrolling that client, then you're off to the races from there. So definitely charge enough is key number 2 to creating real freedom as a coach and an entrepreneur. Key number 3 is have a group program or a mastermind. So whenever you get a group of people together that are similar and they have similar problems and you're helping them achieve similar solutions. Like, for example, I work with business coaches that either have started their business already or want to launch and grow, take their business online and grow a portable, profitable freedom coaching business that they love from anywhere in the world, even if they don't have prior coaching experience. As long as they're an expert at something, we can help them even pick their expertise and how to charge it and how to deliver it. But as long as they're an expert at something, then I can help them. And so I do that in a group format. Whenever I launched my coaching business and the way we help our clients do it as well, I didn't do one-on-one. I went straight out with a group program and a mastermind. And it's the same program that I'm running today, 2 years later. And I've updated it here and there and, put a little bit more bells and whistles on it. But I created it as I went. I didn't create a program in advance. I didn't do one-on-one in advance. I, created it live with my first clients, put it into a membership site, step by step, week by week. And now my clients just get access to it and they go. And then I meet with them weekly on one weekly live Q&A call every week. And what's great about that as well, not only does it give me the time freedom, I have a help desk, I have, meet with my clients once a week, they go through my training program that I created, and that's how I have that time freedom, to only work really 5 to 10 hours a week, and depends on what you call work. But usually 5 hours of actual kind of working. But, I love what it is that I do, but I am able to have so much time off as well by doing it in this way, by doing it in the online group program and mastermind. And what's great is that you also, like, for example, I have the business coaches all together. So they get to hear questions that other business coaches are asking that may be advanced in them in their career or more advanced in the program, or somebody just new that's starting out. Then they get to hear each other's questions, and it makes it more powerful than even me by one-on-one. So it's a big misnomer that people think that one-on-one coaching is more valuable than this type of group high-end. I'm talking about high-end group programs, high-impact group programs, and masterminds. It's a lot more value whenever you're able to do it. Whenever you're able to do it that way in an online group program and mastermind for your clients, it's a better value because they get to hear questions and get to accelerate what they're doing a lot faster, because we have our clients create one piece of killer content, a webinar, and help them automate that as well. And so whenever somebody comes in and they're brand new into my Accelerator program and they're hearing somebody where we're working, that's been in there for a couple of weeks and we're working on their webinar or they're taking sales calls, it's going to help them. We're talking about questions along those lines. It's going to help that new person accelerate so much faster because their ideas, they're going to, start having ideas, they're going to be popping, and their content, they're going to be able to create it a lot better. They're going to nail their sales calls even better than what they are just with my training because of that group program. So, key number 3, without a doubt, is to creating real freedom as a coach, freedom in your life, finances, to do the things that you love, is launching right out of the gate, I say, an online group program or mastermind. So there's a bonus key I wanted to share here about that. And really the bonus key is to be the expert. So to have that system work, the online group program and the online mastermind that we were just talking about for that freedom for you and for your clients as well, is to actually be the expert at something, to pick a niche or a problem, let's say that, for a particular set of people that you can solve and that you enjoy solving. And that's what makes that mastermind and that group program work. So you really do have to figure out what your expertise is, get some major clarity on that, and just claim it and go after it if there are people who need your help. So I do have, again, let me just, that's actually shortcut number 1 in my free web class that is at freedombusinesscoach.com. And that will actually, shortcut number 1 is to be the expert. So I have some exercises that I do on that webinar. So check that out again, because it will help you if you're not sure what you're the expert on right now, or why you really even need to be the expert, or what I'm talking about. It's a major key to having this work. The way that we do $25, $50, $100,000 per month as a coach. And in this freedom business model, is you do need to be the expert. So check out that web class, and then whenever you're ready, if you've got some questions and you want some help, what is this a profitable offer? Are there people that need this right now? How would I deliver it in a program online? If you want some help, you want my help with that. I have 25 years experience as helping businesses grow. And I'm an international best-selling author for entrepreneurs. I've got 10 years experience as an online entrepreneur and marketer figuring these things out. I've started and sold 2 prior businesses before I started Ninja Growth Strategies 2 years ago and launched my coaching business to $25,000 per month. In the first 8 weeks, using the strategies that I teach, for doing that, I did it on LinkedIn with 0 ad spend, and we consistently do 50K, on track for 100K this month using LinkedIn and the strategies that we teach. And that's what we do. So if you want my help, figuring out what offer will sell is your expertise. Should you do this? Should you do that? How do I do it? And get paid to figure that out. If you want to get paid to create your high-end program, you want to get paid to grow your business and to attract clients while you're figuring these things out, and not have to do, without a website, or without spending, $50,000 on a coaching certification franchise, or without having to do all that networking, or without wasting thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and hours in trial and error, and thinking that you know it all on your own. And you want my help figuring these things out, somebody that's going to hold your hand and use my experience and my expertise helping hundreds of business coaches with this at this point to get out there, then go to ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth. And that is where you can schedule a free one-on-one breakthrough call with us here. It's a coaching business accelerator breakthrough call. And go again, that is at ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth. And that's where we will talk one-on-one about you, your business, your expertise, what you're charging, and what your goals are. Is it right? Is there a need for that? Can we help you find and attract your ideal clients on LinkedIn? Can we help you grow your business to $25,000 or more, in 30 days? Is it a good fit? Are you coachable? Do you want to do that? Do we want to help you? We'll figure those things out. We'll map out a plan for you to achieve your goals. And, it might be another avenue might be the best way. And if so, we'll point you in that direction as well. So if that's you, you want to take advantage of this free Coaching Business Accelerator call and actually apply these 3 keys into your business so you can have that life and business. So you can quit your 9 to 5, take your business online, attract clients from all over the world, and have that real freedom in your life and business, freedom in your finances, freedom, more fun to do the things that you love and make a big impact as well, then go to ninjagrowthstrategies.com/growth, and we will talk soon. It's Myranda Love, CEO and founder of Ninja Growth Strategies here. It's been with you. Hope that you've enjoyed these 3 keys and apply them. Let's talk soon. Bye. End video. End live video. Yes, end. Bye.